I know what you're thinking. How can this abandoned garage make me a millionaire? Well, buckle up, because we're about to turn this junkyard of dreams into a $1 million empire. And by empire, I mean, a really cool car collection and probably a yacht. Maybe. Let's find out. I have to admit, this place looks pretty nice. Let's take a look at our first job. Oh, my. Thankfully all the owner wants is an oil change. Right? Eeny meeny miny mo, catch a tiger by the toe, if it squeals let it go, eeny meeny miny mo. Very professional way to choose our next job. Anyway, let's get to it. This is a nice looking car, would be a shame if someone stole it. If anyone asks, you saw nothing, okay? A job well done. Let's complete that order. You know the drill, third and final job of the day. Let's get to work. I don't know if you can tell, but I think I may have crashed, don't want to jump to conclusions though. Enough messing around, let's finish this job before the police show up. This is the first car I've seen today that isn't covered in dust or rust. And there we go, final job done. That was a good day's work. I made a grand total of $2,586 in profit after day one. It's not much, but it's a very solid start. I'm going to get a 5% discount on all parts from leveling up. This will be useful on my journey to 1 million. I am also purchasing a tablet which lets me use the shop while working on the car at the same time. And buy the ability to salvage old and worn parts that I collect. This is my new salvaging workshop. I have to warn you, I am terrible at this minigame. One day this entire place will be full of different workstations and facilities. Once I unlock more things instead of doing repetitive jobs, I will buy old cars to fix up and sell. Stick around for the next episode in this series, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like or subscribing.